Hey guys, if you want to learn this simple eye makeup look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer and blending it all out. This will hide all the darkness and redness under the skin. Then to set my base, I'm using a setting powder to set it. This will help in making blending much easier. Then today I'm using this BH Cosmetics Naughty palette and grabbing this nude shade and I'm applying it as a transition shade. Then I'm going from the inner corner to the outer corner and blending it out to get a seamless finish. Then to deepen up my crease, I'm using this dark brown shade and applying with a small fluffy brush, and I'm blending it under the transition shade. I'm using small circular motions to blend it out and applying with a light-handed motion. Then to add some glitter, I'm using this yellow shimmer shade and with my fingers I'm applying it and I'm blending it all out. This will give more pigment as well. For eyeliner, I'm using this AOA Studio eyeliner and today I'm going for a small winged liner. I'm using a little product and then gradually building the color. Today I'll be going for a small thin liner. If you are a beginner, then I will suggest you to use a pen eyeliner. That will make it much easier. Then to smoke out my lower lashes, I'm using this dark brown shade and applying it in the outer corner and blending it out. Then with a small fluffy brush, I'm blending it out for that seamless finish. For mascara, I'm using this Smashbox Superfan Mascara and applying it on my upper and lower lashes. I make sure that it's coated evenly. You can stop here or also apply some false lashes. Today I'll be going for no falsies and this is how the look turned out to be. If you guys learned something from this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.